Hello, friends! Today we're going to learn the alphabet and alphabet sounds, starting with A. A makes an A sound or an sound, such as America. America spells America. B makes a B sound, such as ball. BALL spells ball. C makes a K sound, such as cat. CAT spells cat. Meow. CH makes a ch sound, like checkers. CHECKERS spells checkers. D makes a D sound, like dog. DOG spells dog. Woof woof. E makes an sound, like egg. EGG spells egg. Great for breakfast. F makes a F sound, like flowers. FLOWERS spells flowers. G makes a G sound, like green. GREEN spells green, which is my favorite color. What's your favorite color? H makes a H sound, like heart. HEART spells heart. I makes an I or I sound, like ice cream. ICECREAM spells ice cream. J makes a J sound, like juice. JUICE spells juice. K makes a K sound, like key. KEY spells key. L makes an OO sound, like luggage. LUGGAGE spells luggage. M makes an sound, like mailbox. MAILBOX spells mailbox. N makes an sound, such as necklace. NECKLACE spells necklace. O makes an or an O sound, such as oars. OARS spells oars. P makes a P sound, like picnic table. PICNIC spells picnic. Q makes a Q sound, like quilt or quill. QUILL spells quill. You write with those. R makes an sound, like rose. ROSE spells rose, my favorite flower. What's your favorite flower? S makes a S sound, like spider. SPIDER spells spider. SH makes a sh sound, like shell. SHELL spells shell. T makes a T sound, like turtle. TURTLES spells turtles. TH makes a th sound, like three. THREE spells three. I have a 3-year-old daughter. U makes a sound, like umbrella. UMBRELLA spells umbrella. Great for the rain. V spells vest, like on the lady. VEST spells vest, and V makes a V sound. W makes a W sound, like watermelon. Yummy in the summer. WATERMELON spells watermelon. X makes a X or a Z sound, like xylophone or X-ray. Y makes a Y sound, like yellow. YELLOW spells yellow. And finally Z. Z makes a Z sound, like zipper. ZIPPER spells zipper. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to subscribe for more fun and educational videos. Please sign my guest book by leaving a comment with your email address to gain access to exclusive content, customized worksheets that enhance the learning experience, and much more. Have a fantastic day. And remember, at my channel, love grows here.